Hello watcher and subscriber, we are in the class 6 chapter 3 part number 1. Our lesson is playing with numbers. So as we are in the beginning of the lesson, we are going to see introduction of factors and multiple. So that on the basis of this you can solve the exercise. So let's get started. So according to your textbook, I am giving the explanation. Mary want to find those number which is exactly divide 4. She divide 4 by number less than 4. So here 4 can be divided by 4. If you divide 4 by 4, you get the answer 1. Quotient will be 1. You can also divide 4 by 2. Your answer will be 2. So here we can come in conclusion that she find the number 4 can be written as 4 is nothing but 1 into 4. So 1 into 4 means your answer is 1, that is quotient, and divisor is 4. So 1 into 4, 4 can also be written as 2 into 2, because if you divide by 2, you will get the quotient 2 and divisor is 2. So it can be written as 2 into 2. It can also be written as 4 into 1. It is nothing but 1 into 4. So, and knows that the number 1, 2 and 4 are the exact divisor of 4. So these number are called the factor of the 4. So it's very simple. If you divide 4 by 4, you get the quotient 1 and remainder is 0. So in such a case, 4 is a factor, okay, as well as 2 is also factor, and by default 1 is also a factor. So these are called the factor of the number. A factor of number is the exact divisor of that number. Observe, each of the factor of 4 is less than or equal to 4. So as you know, 4 is a very simple number. You can divide by 2, you can divide by 4. So this factor is less than 4 or it is equal to 4. So in the factor and multiples, if you take one example like 20, 20 can be written as 4 into 5. So this 4 and 5, these are the factor, okay, and in the table of 4 and in the table of 5, 20 comes. So this is what the 20 is a multiple, because if you multiply 4 into 5, we get the answer 20. 20 is a multiple and its factors are nothing but 4 and 5. These are the factor. So we can say that number is a multiple of each of its factor. So if you take one number and if you do multiplication of like 4 into 5, so we can say that the number is a multiple of each of its factor. For example, if you take the example of 4, okay, so here I give you one example. Suppose 4 is there. So how 4 can be written? 4 can be written as you know, it is a divisor of 2. So 2 into 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So here these factors 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Or you can also take one more example here. 4 is nothing but 4 into 1. So as you know, 4 and 1, these are the factors. So its multiplication is always 4. So I just remove this. It was for your understanding. Next point is, we said the number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the multiples of 5, because in the multiplication table of 3 all these number comes. So the list of multiple of 3 can be continued up to so on, many numbers come. So this multiple greater or equals to 3, that is very important point. Let us what we conclude about factors and multiple. First, is there any number which occur as a factor of every number? That is definitely 1, because 1 is a common factor. You take any number, 1 is always present. For example, 6 can be written as 1 into 6, 18 can be written as 1 into 18, 5 can be written as 1 into 5. So 1 is a factor of every number. This is important point. Let us what we conclude about factor and multiple part. Second point, can 7 be a factor of itself? Yes. you can write 7 equal to 7 into 1 because the multiplication is coming into the same number. So 7 is a factor, and we say that every number is a factor of itself. Next point is, what are the factor of 16? So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, these are the factor, because if you check their multiplication table, 16 come. 2 into 8 is 16, 4 into 4 16, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 1 16. So these are the factor. So every factor of number is a exact divisor of that number, because if you consider 16, it is a it can be divided by 2, 1, 4, 8, 16. So every factor of number is an exact divisor of that number. Next point, what are the factor of 34? So 34 factors are 1, 2, 7, 34. You can check it in their multiplication table, 34 comes. Out of this, which one is greater? Definitely 34 is a greater number in the factor. So other factor are less than 34. So we say that every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Because if you take 34 example, the greatest number is 34. So it is either same or less than to that number. Fifth point, the number 76 has 5 factor. We find you are able to count number of factor of each of these. If you take any number, like suppose a number is there 4, so the factor of 4s are 1, then 2, then same number like 4. So it is countable. So you can say the number of factor of given numbers are finite, means countable. Next point is, what are the multiples of 7? So multiplication table, as you already know, 7, then 14 come, 21 come, 28 come, like that. So we find that the multiple is greater than or equal to 7. We find that every multiple of number is greater than or equal to that number. If you take any number like 7, 7, then 14, 21, 28. So first number is same as of that number. Then all the numbers are greater than 7. Next point is, write the multiple of 5, like 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the multiple. Do you think this list will end anywhere? No, this list is endless, because if you check multiples of 5, many multiples are there. You cannot count. So these are infinite. Next point is, can 7 be a multiple of itself? Yes, because 7 can be written as 7 into 1. So we will find that every number is a multiple of itself. We will take some example. Write the factor of 68. So here 68 means in 1 into 68 is nothing but 68. So 1 is a factor, it is common factor. Then 2 into 34. So here 2 and 34, these are the factor. Then 4 into 17, so both are factor. 17 into 4, this is already we have done, but just change the order. So we will count only once. So finally 4 and 17 have occur earlier. So all the factor of 68 are 1, then 2, 4, 17, and then 68, 34, 17 we already included, 4 also we already included. So these are the factor. Next example is, write 5 multiples of 6. So multiplication table you already know, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, then 18, 24, 30. So in this way you can do more number of multiples also. So here the answer is 6, 12, 18, 20 and 30. So these are the first 5 multiples of 6. So I hope friend you understood this presentation, and on the basis of this we will see the exercise. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.